Welcome to Circle Around's Blue Jeans Women in Health panel. I'm your host, Sharon Wood, and I'm honored to be joined by Dr. Lynn Braun and Dr. Lindsay Orchowski. Even if you have a clinical diagnosis or not a clinical diagnosis, there are ways that science can help us understand how we can cope. And I think that there's a stigma sometimes with that whole idea of that's the bar, coping. But that's not really what you're referring to, right?
Right. Certainly our ability to flourish, right? Coping well with the challenges, having a sense of resilience, wellness, happiness, that is not contingent on whether or not we have a mental health diagnosis. And I think what we know from research now is that individuals can benefit from therapy, whether through telehealth or in-person therapy, regardless of whether or not a psychological diagnosis is present. That sense of flourishing versus languishing can happen whether or not you have a diagnosis of depression or not. And therapy can benefit individuals regardless of whether or not they have a diagnosis.
Thank you for joining us on Circle Around today. Your support makes it possible for us to continue to elevate women and provide trusted information for our viewers. Thank you for your questions. Please share this video with your friends, family, and colleagues if it was helpful. We are all wishing you safe and happy holidays.